selling behind it. Been on the macho like Randy. The chopper go out to the granny. This nigga bullet, you bandit. The killers understand it.
Digner's cross. Messi's header. Messi's goal. He's up to his old tricks again. Here's Roberto. To Messi. Messi drives it in. Unstoppable. Corner was being taken that the defence had been given permission to go forward. Messi's at it again. Blink and you miss a goal at the Camp Nou.
Luis Suárez entregando el balón para Leo Messi. Gol, 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 gol. La cartulina amarilla para Bustinza. Puede meter el segundo Leo Messi. Gol. Gol. Messi's available. Here goes Messi. Oh, welcome to the game. Welcome back, Lionel Messi. Goes off Mario Suarez and comes eventually to Messi, and it's in. Lionel Messi, one chance, one goal. And Valencia had started the game. It's Messi against Diego Alves, and he beats him. And Barcelona have won it.
Are up there with him. Messi's got there too. Here's Messi. Oh, he started it, and then he finished it. And
I ain't worried about nada. I'm sitting pretty impatient, but I know you gotta put in them hours. I'ma make it harder. I'm sending pick after picture. I'ma get you fired. I know you're always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't need no explanation, 'cause baby you're the boss at home.
You're right. It's Messi. He's going for goal. He gets the goal. Nobody else.
Maybe read this wrong, but as I say, he sees things differently. He passes, I don't even see. And the angles are so tight.
Let's put it in motion. I'ma give you a promotion. I'll make it feel like a vacate. Turn the bed into an ocean. We don't need nobody, I just need your body. Nothing but sheets in between us. Ain't no getting off early. I know you're always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone.
Leo Messi again. He can't rely on Suarez, but he does find Dennis. You could also shout Dennis, Dennis. Look at this. Brilliant finish.
Precision pass from Leo Messi to get in between